Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the equation is in standard form x plus y equals c. Once confirmed, solve for the intercepts immediately. Set x to 0 to get the y-intercept c/b, and set y to 0 to get the x-intercept c/a. Do this now so you have two concrete points to plot. If a or b equals 0, treat it as a horizontal or vertical line and proceed with the single intercept. This gives you the fastest route to two plotted points and a clear direction for the line. Once you have both intercepts, convert to slope-intercept form if you want more clarity. Solve for y to get y equals a/b, x plus c/b, so the slope is a/b. Alternatively, compute rise over run between the two intercept points directly. Plot the exact intercept coordinates on your axes, marking them clearly. Then anchor your ruler on those 2 points and draw a straight line through them. Make sure your scale is consistent. Unequal scaling will distort the slope and misrepresent the function. To finish, neatly label both intercept points and jot the slope on the graph so the result is readable. Then verify accuracy by substituting a third x value into x plus y equals c and ensuring the resulting point lies on your drawn line. This confirms you drew the correct line. If something looks off, check common mistakes. Sign errors when isolating y, arithmetic when computing c/o or c/b, or a non-uniform axis scale. Clearing fractions by multiplying the equation can also...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.